this video, I'm going to show you how to tidy up the drawing that's been supplied by the client. This is usually in the form of a topographical survey. I know from personal experience as an arboriculturist that most of us aren't CAD experts, so I'll show you just a few tips to get you on your way. The first thing that we need to do when we open a drawing is to check that the units are in the correct format. In the command line, type units. This will open a dialog box, and under drawing units you'll see that this one is in feet. In QArb we work in meters and millimeters, so if we select the drop down and convert it to meters, then this will ensure that we're working in the correct units. This drawing is opened with all layers visible. This information is useful, but for creating a tree constraints plan, a lot of it just isn't necessary, and I'd like to present my findings in a more simplified and tidy way. As you can see, it comes with a grid, for instance, all the levels, and lots more information that we just don't need for the drawing. In this area, we can see the Layers tab. I can deselect it and select it as necessary. To find out which layer a certain element is on that we need to get rid of, you hover over it and this says layer grid. So I can find the grid layer, hover over this light bulb, and this just freezes the layer or switches it off. I don't need these, which is ridge and eaves. So again, just switch it off. As you can see, the drawing is getting tidier and tidier by a minute. We've now got levels. I can switch levels off, stations, station levels, and anything else that doesn't need to be visible. As you can see, this is now a much tidier drawing. We only need the tree centres to be able to plot our trees using QArb. Because of the layer properties, there are lots of different colours on this drawing, and I want to simplify it by having all the layers as one single colour, in this case grey. So I simply select the first layer, then shift, and the last layer, and then click any of the colours, and I'll save it as a dark grey. Click apply. Now this will simplify the drawing for future use, and my tree survey drawing will be much more clear for presentation. It will also simplify the file in terms of printing. This can be saved as you wish, and this will be saved as a Topo Master for future use. I've saved it as Topo Master because this is going to be a simplified version of the topographical survey, and this can be attached as an external reference or XREF and be used for tree constraints plans, tree removal plans, and the tree protection plan. I'll explain more about XREFs in a future video.